Over the last few decades, technology's developed faster than ever, and video production is at the core of this revolution. The United Arab Emirates are not new to fast developments and have kept up to speed. But how can you find the best video production company for you? We know how. There are 4 simple steps to follow. Number 1. Identify the candidates. Search on Google according to your location and find a list of possible candidates. Identify companies which come up both in ads and organic results. It may be a sign of good quality. Check Google Maps too. You will have a confirmation of the company's geographic position. Number 2. Verify quality and professionalism. Take a look at official websites before moving on to other platforms. Check if the website is updated by looking at the footer. Number 3. Take contact. Once you have the list of candidates, take contact. Go to the contacts page and look for an email address. Sometimes video production companies have a form on the prices page. You can fill that in if you are not an expert and don't know what details are necessary. Ask for a cost breakdown so you can compare the answers easier. Number 4. Compare and evaluate the answers. Wait around 24 hours, then you should have a good number of answers. Check if they are consistent. Take a deep look at the cost breakdown. Be careful that lower prices don't hide poor equipment. After that, you should have your winner. Did we make it into your final list? Send us an email to info@armonicafilm.ae or fill in our form.